Hello students, welcome to Eshwari Thaniksha channel. In this video, we are going to study about scientific notation. We are going to solve some examples and also we are going to solve exercise 1.18 from NCERT textbook, and also we are going to see four properties: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let us start the video. So first let us see what is scientific notation or why it is used. So you know that often in chemistry we use huge numbers for addition, subtraction or multiplication. Suppose for example you know that 1 mole of any substance, 1 mole. So in chemistry often we use this word mole. So 1 mole will be having how many particles? 6022. You have 20 zeros. So many particles will be present in 1 mole. So often for the calculation we can't be writing such a huge numbers. So it is very difficult. So in order to avoid this, scientific notation will be used. In scientific notation, we write the numbers in this form: n into 10 to the power of n. So this is the form we are going to write any number. Here n can have positive value or it can have negative value. And here capital N can have values from 1.00 to 9.99 values. So let us take some examples and try to understand this. So I'll take first example 56. So how to write this in the scientific notation? So how you have to write is after the first digit. Here the first digit is 5. After 5 you have to keep the decimal point. So you will be writing this as 5.6. So when you are writing in this form into 10 to the power of, you can see you have to write n. So this is n into 10 to the power of n. So into 10 to the power of. So n how much I have to write is, so here you can see count from this side, left side. One number, after one number I have put this decimal point. So after one number if I have put, so you have to write here 1. Suppose if it was 2 number means you will be writing 2. So like that you have to put the number. Now coming to plus or minus sign. So here what I have to write, whether it is plus or minus. So how you will find out is, there is a trick for this. So how you will write is, suppose here 5.6223. So suppose if you are moving the point in this direction, in right side. So if you are moving the point right side, you have to put negative sign. If you are moving the decimal point to the left side, this is left, then you have to put positive sign. So this is the trick, remember this. So what is the trick you are going to do is, whenever you are moving this decimal places to the right side, you will be putting negative sign to this number. Whenever you are moving this decimal towards the left, then you have to put positive sign. So here what we have done is, from here we have moved here decimal place. So we are moving on the left side. Therefore what should be the sign here? It should be plus 1. So even if you don't write plus, it is understood it is plus 1. But negative sign compulsorily you have to write. If it is plus sign, so you can just leave, it is understood it is plus 1. So let us take one more example to understand this. Second example. So now I'll take this example 0.00027. So now how to write this in the scientific notation? So what you have to do is, always remember that after first non-zero number you have to keep the decimal point. So shift this decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 decimal places you are moving. So it is 2.7 into 10 to the power of. So how many places you have shifted? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits you have shifted the decimal point. So you will be writing here 4. So whether it is positive or negative sign, you are moving the decimal towards right. So if it is towards right, it is negative sign. So here you will be writing it as minus 4. So this is how you will write in the scientific notation. So is that clear? So let us take some more examples so that it will be clear for you. So first example, write this in the scientific notation. So here I told you that after the first digit, this is the first digit. So you have to keep the decimal after first digit. So here we will be writing it as 2.32508 into 10 to the power of. So how many places you have shifted the decimal? 1, 2. So you will be writing here 10 to the power of 2. So whether it is towards left or right, you are shifting towards left. If it is left, you will be writing plus sign here. So even if you don't write plus sign, it is understood it is plus 2. So the answer will be 2.32508 into 10 to the power of 2. So second example. So 1.6 into 10 to the power of. So now I have shifted the point here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 places I have shifted. So 4. Whether it is positive or negative sign. So I am shifting the decimal towards the right. So if it is towards the right, negative sign you have to write. So it will be minus 4. Next one. So here again decimal we have to shift here. So it becomes 3.864 into 10 to the power of. So how many places I have shifted? 1 digit I have shifted. So I am shifting towards the left. So meaning is plus 1. So power it will be plus 1. So plus 1, and here you can see there is one more 10 to the power of 13. So 13 plus 1 will be 10 to the power of 14 plus 14 or 14. So this is the answer. Next one. So again shift this point here. So you will be writing 2.450 into 10 to the power of. So power how much you will get? So here you can see one place I have shifted and the 2 towards left. So meaning is plus 1. So 10 to the power of plus 1. And here already one more power is present. 10 to the power of minus 8. So minus 8 and plus 1 how much you will get? Minus 8 and plus 1 you will be getting minus 7. So answer is minus 7. Next question. So here shift this 1, 2. 2 places you have to shift. So 7.545 into 10 to the power of. So here 2 digits I have shifted. The 2 towards left side. So plus 2. And here I have plus 2 and here there is one more power plus 2. So 2 plus 2 will be plus 4, or you can write just 4. Next question. So here there is no decimal at all. So after first digit I will write decimal 1.2546 into 10 to the power of. So how many places I have moved? So decimal I have counted this 1, 2, 3, 4 and then I have kept the point. So 4 digits are there. So it will be 10 to the power of 4. So is that clear, students? So now we will solve the exercise question which is given in your NCERT textbook. Express the following in the scientific notation. So we have to represent this in the scientific notation. So first one. So here you can see 0.0048. Shift this decimal 1, 2, 3. So 4.8 into 10 to the power of 3. So which side I have moved the decimal? Towards the right. So if it is towards the right, it will be negative sign. So it will be minus 3. Second question. So you can see there is no decimal point at all. So 234 comma 000. So after first digit 2.34000 into 10 to the power of. So how many places I have shifted the decimal? So you have to count from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 to the power of 5. Whether it is plus 5 or minus 5, so I have moved the decimal this direction. So you can see it is in this direction, that is left side. So it will be plus 5, or you can write just 5. Next, third question. 8008. So there is no decimal. So after first digit, we will write decimal. 8.008 into 10 to the power of. So here, how many places we have moved the decimal point? 1, 2, 3 numbers. So, and it is towards the left side. So it will be 10 to the power of plus 3 or just 3. Fourth question. So fourth question, you can see here there is a decimal point 500.0. So point shift here 5 point. So it will be 5.000 into 10 to the power of. How many places we have shifted? 2 digits. So it will be 2, and we have moved the decimal towards the left side. So it will be plus 2. Is that clear? Next, fifth one. 6.0012. So already it is in the scientific notation form. So you can write 6.0012 into 10 to the power of 0. So because we should write this in this form, n into 10 to the power of n. So 10 to the power of n. So here if I write 10 to the power of 0, what is the value for 10 to the power of 0? 10 to the power of 0 is 1. So if I multiply this number but with 1, so same number I am multiplying with 1, so you will be getting same answer. So in this form we can write. So next we will go for addition. So if a number is given like this, so how to do addition? So this I have taken from the NCERT textbook itself. So you can see the answer here. So this is the answer what is given in the textbook. So let us solve this. So you have to add these two numbers. So first we will write stepwise. 6.65 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 8.95 into 10 to the power of 3. So whenever there is addition, what you have to do is these powers I have to make same. So the power should be same, only then I can add these numbers. So to make it equal, what I have to do is either the power I should convert to 3, because 3 and 3 will be same, or I have to convert this to 4. 4 and 4 it will be same. So any one you can convert, you will be getting correct answer. So let us convert this to 4, because the answer is given in 4. So 6.65 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 8. So now I'll convert this to 4. That is, so here you can see 3 if you are converting to 4 means you have to add plus 1 to the power. If you are adding plus 1 to the power, meaning is you are going to shift this. So shift this point to left. So if you are shifting the point towards left, so the power will be plus 1. So you will be writing a. So let me erase this. So 0.895 into 10 to the power of 4, because 3 plus 1 it becomes power 4. So now I have made the power equal 10 to the power of 4 and 10 to the power of 4. So now I can add this numbers. So I'll write here 6.65 plus 0.895 into 10 to the power of 4. Because if both are same here, if both these powers are same, you can write it outside the bracket. Now add this two numbers. So 6.65 plus 0.895. So how much you will be getting? 5, 14, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 6, how much you will be getting? 15, 5, 1, 7.545. So this is equal to 7.545 into 10 to the power of 4. So can you see the answer which is given in the textbook? 7.545 into 10 to the power of 4. So you are getting the same answer. So always remember that you have to make the power equal. So only then you can add the numbers. So now let us solve for subtraction. So there are two numbers given. So you have to subtract these two numbers. So this is the answer which is given in the textbook. So you can see here powers, if you see 10 to the power of minus 2 and here 10 to the power of minus 3. So you have to change these powers. The power should be similar. So here convert this to 10 to the power of minus 2. How you will convert this to 10 to the power of minus 2? Suppose if I add here 10 to the power of plus 1. So minus 3 and plus 1. How much you will get? Minus 3 plus 1 you will be getting minus 2. This means you have to shift this digit 1 digit here. So then you can write here plus 1. So let us solve this. So 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Minus, subtraction means minus 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So now I have to make the power equal. So in order to make the power equal, to this power I have to add plus 1. Only then it will become minus 3 plus 1 will become minus 2. So if I have to add plus 1, which side I have to shift the decimal? Towards the left, one digit I have to shift like this. So it will become 0.48. So 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 minus 0.48 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So powers we have made equal. So now numbers you can subtract. 2.5 minus 0.48 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So now subtract this two numbers. 2.5 minus 0.48. So here borrow 1 from here, it becomes 4 and here it is 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. So 2.08. So this is equal to 2.02 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So this is the answer. So see in the textbook the answer given is also same. 2.02 into 10 to the power of minus 2. We are getting the same answer. Next, multiplication. So multiplication and division, it's not required that you have to make the power equal. So here how to solve is 5 into 10 to the power of 3 into 6 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So now numbers you write separately like this. 5 into 4, 5 into 6. So 5 into 6 into 10 to the power of 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So 6 5s are you will be getting 30 into 10 to the power of. So powers what you should do is 3 minus 4. You have to add or subtract the powers according to the sign. So here it is 3 and here it is minus 4. So you have to write here 3 minus 4. So 30 into 3 minus 4 you will be getting minus 1. So how to write this in the scientific notation? So in the scientific notation you can write this as 3.0 into 10 to the power of. So what we have done is we have kept the point here. So we have moved the point here in the left side. So if you are moving to the left side it will be plus sign. So plus 1 and here already you have minus 1. So plus 1 and minus 1 will become 0. So 10 to the power of 0. So this is the scientific notation. Next we'll go for division. So simple it is. So even here no need to make the power equal. So 44 into 10 to the power of 6 divided by 2 into 10 to the power of 2. So divide this number. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So this is equal to 22 into 10 to the power of 6 divided by 10 to the power of 2. So 22 into 10 to the power of. So powers here you have to subtract 6 minus 2. So 6 minus 2, how much you will get? 22 into 10 to the power of 4. So whether this is in the scientific notation, no, you have to change this to scientific notation. So students, I want you to convert this to scientific notation and write your answer in the comment section. So students, is that clear? If you have any other doubts, write in the comment section. Students, subscribe our channel and also share this video with your friends. So all the very best. I'll meet you in the next video.